Hi JPians, this is Ate Aubrey. So, first of all, congratulations dun sa mga graduating students natin. For sure naman na share na sa inyo nung other passers natin yung tips nila, how to pass the board, ano yung mga ginawa nilang study habits. Ayun, so yung sa akin na lang moral support. So, again, congratulations on graduating. Konti na lang. And then, push niyo lang yung sarili niyo to be better, but not to the point na mauubos kayo. Focus on your goals, but don't forget to live. Kung pagod na, take a break, slow down, it's okay. Ayun lang. Again, congratulations. And, ayun, paglabas nyo sa school, madami pa kayong may experience na pressure and stress. So, gusto ko lang din i-share sa inyo yung sinabi sa akin ni Sir CJ during my undergrad. Hanggang ngayon, dala-dala ko siya. If you're stressing about something, always ask yourself, can I do something about it? If your answer is no, then what's the point, right? Just let it go and move on. If your answer is yes, again, what's the point? Just do it. Yun lang, and good luck. Bye.